Packlytics. Today we are going to unbox the Packlytics Smart Box. Alright, let's get this started. We have the Packlytics Smart Box packaging. Up front you will find all your serial numbers, IMEI, SIM numbers that you can record and document. The box does open from the front. On the top you will find the instruction manual, which hardware version you're running, which software version is running on the current Smart Box, and a generalized list of instructions, and of course these videos that you'll be able to follow along installing this box. But today we're going to go through what's in the box. First piece we have is the Smart Box hardware itself. Completely packaged. On the left side you'll find 4 sensor inputs. These are all 4 to 20 milliamp sensor inputs using standard M12 cables. Just remove the cover, screw the cable on, and that would be port 1, 2, 3, 4. On this side we'll have a power connector, port 5, a accessories connector, port 6, the on-off button, which is number 7. On this side we have an accessory port for our capture sensor kit. This is a pressurized equalization port. And then on this side we have a Wi-Fi, which is port 10, another accessory port for our capture system, and port 11 for a cellular antenna. Those are the connections on the Smart Box. The screen here will also display information and whatnot when it is installed. On the back, you'll also find the same serial information, and it comes pre-installed with 4 neodymium magnets, which pretty much mounts to any surface. And we'll get a little more into that in just a minute. Also in the box, we have the power supply and the accessories that go with this. In the power supply box, you'll have the power cord and a power supply with a M12 connector that goes onto this port right here. And we'll just hold it the right way. So those two go on there. And then in the accessories box, you'll find your labeled antennas, Wi-Fi and cellular. You'll also find just some miscellaneous stuff to mount and keep the cables tidy, because you don't want to get cables snagged in any machine or equipment. These are feet, so you can wall mount the unit or floor mount the unit. And again, the antennas go on here. Red goes to red and black goes to black. If you are going to wall mount the unit, these are the clips for it. Just remove the 4 screws and add these 4 clips. And we do have some wall anchors so you can mount the unit. And again, same thing, if you're going to floor mount it with the rubber feet, remove the 4 screws, add the feet and put the screws right back in. That, in a nutshell, is the Packlytics Smart Box.